We are going to see about self grooming today. What are the products we need to make? I'm using this Garnier for cleansing. I just take a small amount. I just taking a small amount of this and wiping my face. Took the small amount to wipe my face and for cleansing purpose. Just cleanse all over. Then you have to apply. I'm using Studio Finish PAC primer. Next, next step. I just using a small amount. You can see here. Small amount for this. I just using my hands to apply. Otherwise, you can take brushes to apply. Brush for applying purpose. Just apply all over. Using skin base color. Skin base color. Skin base color for eye base. I just took a small quantity for applying. Any type of brush you can apply for just roughly I'm doing my eye base.